talk about this sentence. Let's start. This is the car. That is the car. This is the bus. That is the bus. This is the
ট্রাক
truck. That is the truck. This is the van. That is the van. This is the taxi. That is the taxi. This is the rickshaw. That is a rickshaw. This is a ship. That is a ship. This is a boat. That is a boat. This is a airplane. That is a airplane. This is a
হেলিকপ্টার
helicopter. That is a helicopter. That's our thank you so much for listening this presentation. So take care of your health. I'll see you another day. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.